Whoa!
It's only raining. Alright, go get it. It's raining the most. They went like this. Boom, boom, boom.
What a rebel! Rebel! Rebel!
Whoa! Oh, it's picking up even more. Look at that. Wow.
I got wet.
Just a little. I know, right? Look at this kid. He's getting soaked.
Buddy, a beach balls away. I'm feeling it. I want to see another lightning strike. Look at this.
Where? I know. Look at the light pole here. It's wobbling, shaking.
You can light it, Eric.
Wow.
Yeah, use my cigarette.
Whoa!
I want a fucking 1 mile, but like one.
Give me some hail. I want hail. That works too.
It's probably gonna happen. Dude, they got cold.
Yeah, it did.
Oh, they got it.
Yeah. Everyone just pull over. Just pull over for God's sake.
$13 in chicken nuggets. I go, you $13. Are you kidding me? Man. Umbrella's definitely cool, huh? They're all gone.
Whoa! Oh, it's coming out even harder. Whoa!
Run from the rain! Run! Run from the rain!
Fucking insane.
I know.
Fucking insane. That was weird. Those umbrellas are now in the ocean.
Whoa!
I saw that one. That was a hard one. There's a coke. Vodka? Yes. I'm still fried.
Whoa!
Alright, that may be across the street, though.
Whoa! Oh, I got that one. Oh, I got that one.
You might need to give it up in a minute.
Sorry, everyone. Beach is closed. Up. It's dying down.
It's going down. That's what I thought? No. That was a little bit.
Whoa! Woo! Channel 7, you're gonna love this.
Beautiful out here. Huh? Beautiful.
Whoa! I got most of that one.
That was a good one.
That was a good one.
That was a good one.
Yeah, it's not bad if you're hiding underneath this,
Yeah. Whoa! Oh, man. Look at this.
Yeah,
Whoa!
Yeah, it was just crazy here. That was crazy. Even crazier at the beach.
This is the best you'll probably get at the... Whoa! Probably the best you'll get at the beach. Wow.
Go on.
Whoa!
Alright, we gotta pee. Where's the bathroom?
Telling my friend who I was just with, I'm filming this.
Good. Right here, right in the door.
I never got them there. Yeah, they lost.
Okay. No standing or avoiding next to the door.
Whoa!